Hello students, once again welcome back once again in our online session. See students, just we have enjoyed the Diwali vacation a lot, and after this Diwali vacation once again we are going to start our online teaching. So students, just remind that we have completed the lesson, the Ashish that made tree bloom. That was a very lengthy lesson but was very interesting, and just we have finished and completed it, and after this we are going to see one of the poem. See the Chivi. In this poem, Chivi, this is also interesting poem if you read and enjoyed it. So let's start this poem. See Chivi, ask yourself as well as your partner, do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? Do grown-ups do this in your experience? See, the question has given for you that ask yourself, स्वतःला विचारा, or your partner किंवा तुमच्या पार्टनरला विचारला काय की do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? Just see students, you are instructed many times or daily your parents and your adults instructed you what to do and what do not. So just grown-ups in your home always instructing always instructs you about something in different ways. See, there is a one incident has given for you, one example has given for you. See, actually this poem tells us about the grown-ups who always keep instructing you that what you should do and what you should not. सो की आपल्याला आपले ॲडल्ट्स किंवा ग्रोनअप जे आहेत घरातले की प्रत्येक वेळी आपल्याला इन्स्ट्रक्ट करतात की आपण काय करायला हवं आणि काय नको, व्हॉट यू शुड डू अँड व्हॉट यू शुड नॉट. सो डू यू लाईक इट? तुम्हाला आवडतं का घरातल्यांनी सारखं तुम्हाला इन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेलं किंवा सूचना दिलेला? सो वन व्हेरी फनी एक्झाम्पल हॅज गिवन हिअर. सी in the yellow box. When Michael, who was 5 years old, his mother took him to nearby school for admission. See, one of the boy of 5 years age, his mother took him for the admission in the school. The teacher asked, टीचरनी त्याला एक क्वेश्चन विचारला, what does your mother call you at home, child? See, teacher asked one question to the Michael. टीचरनी मायकलला एक क्वेश्चन विचारला की घरी तुला काय म्हणतात? what does your mother call you at home? तुझी आई तुला घरी कोणत्या नावानं बोलवते? मायकल डोंट केम द कॉन्फिडेंटली रिप्लाय. आणि मायकलनं आन्सर दिलं की मला आई घरी कोणत्या नावाने किंवा कसं बोलवते, तर मायकल डोंट. See, Michael don't means what? See, just it is a very surprising answer given by the Michael to the teacher. When teacher asked him about his name, ask Michael about his name, he said that my name is, my mother always calls me in the home Michael don't. Just see, just think, it is a very funny answer given by the Michael. So what is the meaning of Michael don't? It means that Michael's mother always instructing him about Michael, don't make noise, Michael, don't do that, Michael, don't tear the page, Michael, don't jump, Michael, don't make noise. It means that Michael think that his name is Michael don't. So he gives answer to his teacher that his mother always calls him in the home Michael don't. See, this is a very funny answer. See, note, there is a one note has given for you. Note, to chivvi is to nag. आता चिव्हीचा मीनिंग दिलेला आहे. To chivvi is to nag means what? Nag means what? To continuously urge someone to do something, often in an annoying way according to the dictionary. अशी चिव्हीचा मीनिंग मीन्स काय दिलेलं आहे की टू कंटिन्युअसली अर्ज समवन टू डू समथिंग ऑफन इन एन अनॉइंग. एखाद्याला एखादी गोष्ट सारखी करू नको किंवा कर असं वारंवार सांगणं म्हणजेच अनॉइंग, एक तक्रारखोर टोनमध्ये सांगणं. सी, चिव्ही मीन्स वॉट? ॲक्च्युली इट मीन्स टेलिंग रिपीटेडली टू डू समथिंग, एखादी गोष्ट वारंवार करायला सांगणे, दॅट इज नॅग, दॅट इज चिव्ही. सी, read the poem now. So students, see, first let's read the poem. Grown-ups say things like, see, in our home our grown-ups, our adults always tells us about what to do and what to not. Grown-ups say things like, speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, Don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. Sit up, say please, less noise. Shut the door behind you. Don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hand out of your pocket. Pull your socks up. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own? Mind up about anything. The poem is written by Michael Rosen. See students, if you read this poem carefully, you will see that these are the different instructions given by the parents, given by the teachers, given by the adults to the small kids. See, chibi means what? Chibi means what? Chibi means nag. Nag means what? Telling things or repeated things, giving instructions again and again to the small kids. See, giving instructions again and again to the small kids by the adults. आपल्याला मोठे जे वारंवार सूचना देतात, वारंवार जे instruction देतात, त्याचा अर्थ चिव्ही आहे. See, let's see this once again, the different instructions given by the adults to the small kids. Grown ups say things like, grown ups सारखं असं म्हणतात लहान मुलांना, काय काय म्हणतात? Speak up, don't talk with your mouth full. See, don't stare, एकटक बघू नको. Don't point, do not point anyone, कुणाकडे point out करू नको. Don't pick your nose, तुझं नोक सारखं इकडे तिकडे हलवू नको. Sit up, शांत बस. Say please, प्लीज म्हणायला शिक. लेस नॉईज, दंगा मस्ती करू नका. शट द डोअर बिहाइंड यू, तुझ्या मागे असले डोअर बंद कर. डोंट ड्रॅग युअर फीट, पायासारखे बाजू नको. हॅवंट यू गॉट अ हँकी, तू तुझं हँकी आणलायस का? टेक युअर हँड्स आउट ऑफ युअर पॉकेट्स, खिशातून हात बाहेर काढ. सी, पुल युअर सॉक्स अप, सॉक्स तुझे वर ओढ. स्टँड अप स्ट्रेट, स्ट्रेट उभा राहा. से थँक्यू म्हण. डोंट इंटरप्ट, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब. नो वन थिंक्स यू आर फनी, व्यवस्थित राहा, फणी वागू नको. टेक युअर एल्बोज ऑफ द टेबल, तुझ्या टेबलच्या व्यवस्थित बस किंवा हात आत घे. कांट यू मेक युअर ओन? माइंड अप अबाउट एनिथिंग, या गोष्टी सगळ्या कशा करायला तुला कळत नाही का? सी, इट मीन्स दॅट, व्हॉट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स दॅट आवर ॲडल्ट्स always keep instructing small kids about what they should do and they should not to do. So students, see, these are the some instructions, these are the some things that our adults or the parents want we to do. So in this way we have finished, we have completed this poem. So students, read this poem once again, and enjoy it. So as a homework you have to write such instructions given by the parents. Okay, so see, working with the poem, discuss these questions in small groups before you answer them. When is grown-ups likely to say this? Don't talk with your mouth full. See, खूप बडबड करू नकोस, असं आपल्याला कधी कधी म्हणतात आपले grown-ups की when we started to make a noise in the home, at that time our parents or our teachers say that don't talk with your mouth full. When are you likely to be told this? तुम्हाला कधी सांगितलं जातं? Say thank you. आपले पेरेंट्स किंवा आपले टीचर्स आपल्याला म्हणतात की थँक्यू म्हणायला शिक. किंवा when somebody helps us, at that time we should say thank you to others. Third question, when do you think an adult would say this? किंवा असं म्हणतात आपल्या घरातले adults, no one thinks you are funny, जेव्हा आपण काहीतरी फनी गोष्टी करायला लागतो तेव्हा. when we started to behave strangely, at that time our parents or our adults say no one thinks you are funny. When we started to behave very strangely, very queerly, at that time our parents or the adults said that no one thinks you are funny. So students, see, in this way we have finished, we have completed this poem. Read it loudly and enjoy it. Okay, and solve the given exercise. Okay, till then, take care and have a good day.